Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with a project. This project was made using a GOODIE flip box tutorial from Scrapdaworld. This is for her Linky party that she does every month. I believe it's Linky party number 6. So if you're interested in making one of these boxes or joining her Linky party, the website is scrapdaworld.com, and she has a lovely tutorial. It's very easy to make. So basically, this is just another way to send goodies to a friend. You also can use it to make cards and put cards in there. The size of this box is roughly 4 by 6. This has a belly band. I'm using, I think it's Quartz by Prima. So I'm trying to get through some of my older collections. So I just did a simple belly band. And then it opens like this. So it just kind of pops open like this. And you have these little boxes that you can go ahead and put things in. So the first box, I just put some sort of trim flowers. And these are actually from Daiso. This second one, I went ahead and did some cut aparts from the collection. So these are 4 by 6 and 3 by 4 cards, Prima cards. And then in this pocket right here, I used my pink and Maine bow die to make some little bows. And then that fits right in here just like that. And then to close it, it just flips all the way around, and then we go ahead and we put this belly band around. If I can go ahead and do that, I can get it on there. I think it is. I'm going to do it at the bottom. So it comes together pretty easily. There you go. Just like that. And you can put anything in there. I think these boxes are, I want to say they're 1/2 inch. So they are a really good size. You could actually put something with dimension in it. But anyway, make sure you watch Tamika over at Scrapdaworld so you can watch her tutorial and maybe join in the challenge. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.